In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DigitalOcean Cloud Hosting in a full walkthrough. Now, whether you're setting up a new project or migrating an existing one, you'll see how straightforward this process can be. First, let's get started by creating a DigitalOcean account. Head to digitalocean.com, and once you're there, you'll see options to either sign up or log in. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up and follow the process to create one. After you've done that, you'll need to verify your email address and add a billing method, either a credit card or PayPal. This is necessary for further steps. Once your account is set up, let's move on to creating a droplet, which essentially is your cloud server. On your DigitalOcean dashboard, find and click the Create button, then select Droplet. Here, you'll need to choose an image for your server's operating system. For beginners, Ubuntu or WordPress are great choices. After selecting your image, you'll pick a plan. The basic plan starting at $5 per month is a good option if you're just getting started. Next, you'll select a data center region. It's best to choose a region closest to your primary user base to reduce latency. Following that, determine whether you want to use an SSH key or password for authentication. SSH keys are generally more secure and recommended if possible. Now, click Create Droplet. You'll need to wait a few moments for the setup, and once it's completed, make sure to copy your droplet's IP address as you'll need it later. Now comes the exciting part, accessing your droplet. Open a terminal and log in with the command ssh root at your droplet IP, replacing your droplet IP with the actual IP address you copied earlier. If you're using a WordPress image, you can visit your droplet's IP in a web browser and complete the WordPress setup by entering your site title, username, and password. To access your WordPress site at any time, go to http://your/ip-wp-admin. If you're using the Ubuntu image, you'll need to install a web stack such as Apache or Nginx, along with PHP and MySQL. Also, upload your website files to the var www HTML directory. Once your site is set up, the next step is to connect your domain. Go to your domain registrar and add an A record pointing to your droplet's IP. DNS propagation may take a few hours, so be patient. Finally, to ensure your website is secure, it's important to set up an SSL certificate. Install certbot with the command sudo apt. Install certbot python 3 certbot apache y, and then run sudo certbot Apache to obtain and install the certificate. Just follow the prompts to enable HTTPS, and there you have it. Your site should now be up and running securely on DigitalOcean. Thanks for joining me today, and happy hosting!